super excited to show you EduMind, a secure personal study concierge I built. The core problem I wanted to solve is privacy in AI education. Right now, students copy and paste their raw syllabus, private essays, class diaries, and homework grades into public AI chatbots. But doing that leaks teachers' email, phone numbers, and students' ID directly to cloud servers. So, EduMind solved this by establishing a secure boundary right on your laptop. It redacts personal details locally and encrypts your sensitive study files on disk using AES 256. So, why write this as an agent instead of a normal chatbot? A simple chatbot cannot scrub files, run mathematical space repetition calculations, and write to a local database reliably in a single thread. EduMind, okay, first of all, let me open the workflow. EduMind uses a graph-based multi-agent system mimicking Google Agent Development Kit guidelines. As you can see in the diagram, a PII sanitizer node cleans the input, and then the coordinator select study tracks. After that, syllabus planner builds your calendar, and a performance coach evaluates your response interfacing directly with your local MCP. Decoupling this task makes the system incredibly predictable and avoid infinite AI loops. So let's back on our dashboard previously. Let's check out the syllabus coach right here. I'll paste in a syllabus for a C++ programming course. Notice that it contains professor emails and students ID, which is private data for student that should not have given to the AI chatbot. This is just an example. We ask them to build a roadmap. So here on the right side there is a full roadmap how the student should study a certain subtopics during by topics. When I click the build roadmap button previously, the PII sanitizer runs locally to redact this data, displaying our safety banner, and syllabus agent passes the weekly topics into a clean 3-week study roadmap. Let's say if I mark a module 1 as a complete, you can see our study progress and our goals instantly update in the main dashboard tab. It's automatically updated in the main dashboard. Under active recall, we have our testing station. The quiz master agent generates flashcard. Click on the card and it flips in 3D to reveal the reference answer. So let's say I said I don't know. Let's say, okay, first of all, let's say I'm put the exact answer. So right here we have study coach evaluations on the right side that evaluates our accuracy of the answer that we give. The study coach agent grades it and uses our local MCP space repetition calculator tool to schedule the next review date based on my score. So MCP space repetition scheduling is review by tomorrow. What if I say I don't know in this flip quiz? Your responsible did not match the reference concept. Review recommended. Also review tomorrow. by the way, we have also lockbox vault, which is for private files. When locked, all notes files on this disk are completely unreadable. Cheap her text. Once I type my master password, it decrypts them in memory so I can read my OOP study cheat sheet note inside the vault. The password is 12345. So I can put it note here. Let's say cin cout and save the note. You will have on the left side, and then if we lock the vault, it's automatically encrypted in our local devices. And last but not least, looking at the MCP Explorer tab, you can inspect the JSON PRC schemes of the tools agent use. Decoupling tools into an MCP server makes the agent codebase extremely clean and standardized. The app is built on Python, Fast API, and cryptography. It runs fully offline by default, but you can enter your Gemini API key in the settings up here to connect to live Gemini 2.5 model, Flash model. You can paste your API key right here and save. So it will have a connection with the API key, but still your data is kept in private. I mean your private data that should have been private, like your email or student ID, or maybe or also your name. That's all from me. By the way, before we finish, I would like to show you some of the code here. So this is the agent that I have, MCP server, main database, and agent. Obviously, I think that is all from me. Thank you.